In most cases, when a mobile phone is lost, the expectation of recovery is rather low. However, a recent incident in Hubbali took a pleasantly surprising turn when an auto driver displayed exceptional honesty and responsibility by returning a passenger's lost phone. The auto driver Gangadhar Indi not only returned the passenger's lost phone but also took the initiative to give it to the local police station. Gangadhar Indi picked up a female passenger at the new bus station and dropped her off at the new Shakti Nagar. Unfortunately, the passenger unintentionally left her mobile phone behind in the auto. After the day ended, when Gangadhar reached his home, he noticed the forgotten phone and acted promptly. He contacted Hanamantappa Pavade, the president of his Auto Driver Association, seeking guidance. They personally delivered the lost phone to the Gokula Road police station. The passenger was able to retrieve her phone in their presence. Gangadhar Indi and Hanamantappa Pavade were praised for their honest action.
ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದರು. ಆದರೆ ಮನೆ ಮಟ್ಟ ಹೋದ್ರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಅವರು ಮನೆ ಮಟ್ಟ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಐತೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಗೋಕುಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ತಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ